Hello, my name is Barbara Schmidt, and welcome back to another episode of Nature Sounds with Nat Geo. In today's episode, we will be exploring the exciting sounds of all of nature's beauties. From waterfalls to ocean breezes, we have it all here at Nat Geo. So sit back and enjoy the harmonious sounds of nature. Oh shit. That was the wrong tape. I am so sorry. Let's try that again. Damn it. What the hell is going on? On the behalf of all the staff here at Nat Geo, Barbara Schmidt would like to apologize for the technical difficulties. Please join us again next Tuesday for another episode of Sounds with Nat Geo.